Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the topic Introduction to DBMS. It's the first video and in this lecture we're going to discuss the basics of DBMS and some basic terms that we use in the entire subject. Okay? Like what is data, what is information, what is database and what is DBMS. So let's start. Now, what is DBMS? Basically, DBMS stands for Database Management System. So here I have break this term into two parts, that is data and database. Now let's talk about what is data. Basically, data are the raw facts or figures that can be recorded, or we can say the information which we record, that is your data. So how information is stored in the form of data? There are some examples. Information stored in the form of numbers, text, videos, images, audio files and so on. So these are the basic examples of data which we store in the form of database. Now for example, you can take an example of mobile phone. So here I am taking an example of mobile phone. Okay. So what happened in mobile phone, when you saved any video or click pictures, so that pictures or images which you saved in your mobile phone, that is your data, right? So it's very clear that any information or any raw facts that you record, that is your data, right? So moving on towards the next term, that is database. Now what is database? Basically, database is a collection of related data. So why we are saying that database is a collection of related data? For example, student. I am taking example of student. So student has its name, its address, ID, or you can say roll number, and mobile number. So the whole data is of one particular person. So this particular data, this is your data, and these are also data. So one data is related to the other data. So that shows the relation between data, that is your database. That's why we are saying that database is a collection of related data, or we can say interrelated data which are related to each other, right? We can also say that it's a collection of data that is managed by DBMS. So here DBMS, like Database Management System, managed out the data in database, right? Now next is database is your storage where you store your data. If we talk in a simple manner, we can say database is a storage. Database क्या है? एक storage है. So what is database? Database क्या है? एक storage है where you store your data. So here I'll take an example of gallery. Now gallery is everybody is having in their phone. So what happened? This gallery is your database. Okay. This is your database where you are storing your data, and all the images, your videos, okay, your audio files. So all these information is your data. ये क्या है? Data, right? So this is the basic difference between database and data. Okay, this is the best example. I think everybody gets clear by this example. Like gallery is your database and these are your data, right? So guys, remember that database always organize the data in the form of tables. Okay, like this. For example, like I said, you have a particular person like Anjali. Okay, so Anjali is your data, and her information, that is name, roll number, address, mobile number, these are also data, but these are interrelated data. What are these? Interrelated data that we store in the form of database. So here, whenever you are storing any particular data in database, it will always organize in the form of tables. You can't simply write the data, you have to give the complete detail of a person. In other terms, we can say that database is a collection of data that is used to retrieve, insert and delete the data. Okay, so basically database perform various operations like insertion, deletion and retrieval of data. Now we will briefly discuss these terms, that what these terms are and what are the use of these three terms in database. First of all, that is insertion. Insertion, the name itself defining to add a particular data into a database. For example, if you are having a table of database and you want to insert a particular data, so you can easily insert it by using insertion operation, right? Similarly, deletion, obviously deletion means to delete a particular data. If you want to delete any data from your database or from your table, by using this term deletion, you can easily delete a particular data. Next is retrieval. Now what is retrieval? Basically retrieval means to find data, or we can say to find a particular data from database, right? This is your retrieval.